Hey there! Ever wondered how ethical hackers test websites for security flaws? Or how you can learn to do it yourself? Well, today I'm going to introduce you to Burp Suite, the ultimate tool for web application security testing. So, whether you are a beginner or just exploring, I'll walk you through how to download, install, and start using Burp Suite, step by step. Ready? Let's get started! Okay, first things first, we need to know what is Burp Suite. It's a powerful tool that helps ethical hackers, people like us, who test websites for vulnerabilities and security bugs by intercepting, analyzing, and testing how browsers and servers communicate, as you can see in the diagram here. Alright, now that we have a brief understanding of what Burp Suite is, let's move on to the best part. There is a free version of Burp Suite. Let's download and install Burp Suite together now. Okay, first let's go to portswigger.net/burp. This is the official website for Burp Suite. Then click on Products, Burp Suite Community Edition. Then go straight to Downloads. And here you can see there is two options. Burp Suite Professional, which is the paid version, and the Burp Suite Community Edition, which is free. I'm gonna choose the free version and then choose your operating system. For me, it's Windows. Then click Download. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the steps. Since I have already downloaded it on my laptop, I will not be able to follow the steps here with you, but it's super easy. Just click next a few times and it's done. Now open Burp Suite. You'll see a screen asking for a project file. We'll select temporary project and then click Start Burp. That's it. You're in. Now that Burp Suite is ready, let's set it up to start intercepting traffic. First, let's configure proxy settings on our laptop. Open your laptop settings and search for proxy settings. Under manual proxy setup, enable it and input this address and the port 8080. Then save the settings. Now let's go back to Burp and check proxy settings there. After opening Burp Suite, we'll navigate to the Proxy tab, then click on Proxy Settings and ensure the proxy listener is set to the same address and the same port as the ones on our laptop. And if it's not already set, just click on Add, input the port and the address as follows, and then click OK to save. And if you want to see HTTPS traffic like most websites today, you'll need to install Burp's CA certificate to make everything work smoothly. Don't worry, it's easy. I've linked the instructions in the description below, and if you want any help on this, just drop a comment below. So after setting up Burp, let me show you how this works. I'll visit this website, example.com, just for testing and to show you how Burp Suite intercepts the request before it even reaches the website's server. See this? Every request from the browser gets intercepted here. You can modify the request, test different inputs, and send it back to the server to see how it responds. It's like being in a secret conversation between your browser and the website, but you are the boss. And that's just the beginning of what Burp Suite can do. In future videos, I'll not only show you how to test for vulnerabilities like XSS, IDOR, SQL injection, and more, but also I'll dive deeper into Burp Suite to help you become an expert in using it. So make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you have any questions or want to learn something specific, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Until next time, stay curious, stay ethical, and happy hacking. Catch you in the next video. Bye!